stage S. Sosimo. May I request the newly elected officers to come up on stage. Grade 5 Councilor, Maria Veronica A. Nagadi. Grade 6 Councilor, Israel Buaso. Peace Officers, Ferdy S. Pabilico and Maxine Joyce C. Abelia. PIO, Joyce Pauline F. Samson. Auditor, Stephen Daniel R. Mansueto. Treasurer, Tracy Dray M. Torres. Secretary, Paul William G. Chuawi. Vice Mayor, John Clark T. Terani. And our Mayor, Patrick Christian C. Feliciano. Again, congratulations to the newly elected SPG officer. Let us give them a warm round of applause. At this point, let us all witness the turnover of responsibilities of our incumbent Mayor, Eunice Ann S. Soriano, and the newly elected Mayor, Patrick Christian C. Feliciano.
A very good morning to everyone. As the Mayor of the Supreme Pupil Government for school year 2012-2013, I can say that being a leader to your fellow students and Sebastinians is not an easy job because you are entrusted with a great responsibility. You need not only great leadership, but you also need to be a good example to others. As for the new Mayor of the Supreme Pupil Government, Patrick Christian Feliciano, everyone expects you to fulfill your job reliably. You may experience hardships like every leader does, but you should continue serving your fellow Sebastinians unfailingly and wholeheartedly. So now, I present to you this school seal that signifies the unceasing allegiance of serving others and being a role model to others. I hope that you may continue the works of service of the past officers of the Supreme Pupil Government so that the future SPG officers will continue the good works we've made. Again, good morning and bravo, Baste!
First of all, I would like to give thanks to everyone for the support and trust you have given me. This serves as my inspiration to carry on the duties and responsibilities of an SPG Mayor. I am now accepting the position with full of spirit of willingness in heart and in mind. It is really a great honor and privilege to be of service to everyone, and I will do my best that I can. I am very positive and confident that under my mayoralty and with the help of our advisor, Mr. Richard Denar, and fellow officers, we will accomplish everything that we have envisioned for the organization. And to the new sets of officers for 2013 to 2014, my warmest congratulations to all of you. Together, let us work in hand as we fulfill our duties to our beloved school and fellow Sebastinians. Once again, thank you so much. Bravo!
and Patrick.